I'm learning a lot from Lynn. She's a great mentor, and working with Kieran, it's been a lot of fun. I think we've been a pretty good team. Just being out in the field, kind of doing the hands-on research, I've never been part of that before. It was a great experience. It came at a great time in my life. I think it kind of changed the direction of where I'd like to go as I continue my studies.
How to think and problem solve by yourself, and it's really important to be able to have that. Having Humber Research support us is amazing. I just enjoyed coming here and working and just figuring things out. It was an amazing experience.
And what we're doing, I think, is definitely a hot button topic in the industry, especially for municipalities. And so coming across anybody else in my industry, whenever I bring up the fact that we're working on something like this, they have a lot of questions, they have their own 2 cents. And so it really is an exciting point of engagement with a lot of different facets of the industry.
Well, I always think that it's really important for students to see beyond the classroom and to see that there are applications in the real world for the knowledge that they're gaining.
For students working as research assistants, it is an opportunity to build skills applicable to their program and chosen industry. They contribute to the research projects that make an impact within their community and are given the opportunity to grow their professional network. It's a fantastic way to get involved while studying at Humber. Anyone interested in getting involved with Humber Research and Innovation can visit our website at humber.ca/research to learn more.